few biscuits, so just crush them and you will need about 1 cup. Now spray your pan with some oil. In a bowl, mix your crushed biscuits, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Now spread the crust mixture onto the pan and bake it for 10 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In another bowl, add your cream cheese, which is 8 ounces, half cup sugar, few drops of vanilla extract, 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice, 1 egg, half tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now add 150 milliliters of heavy cream. Mix it in until smooth. Pour the batter into the pan and bake the cake for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then for another 30 minutes for 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the cake to cool down inside the oven after it's turned off for 1 hour. I'm adding some water here so that the crust doesn't burn. While the cake is baking, we're going to make some strawberry syrup. So you'll need 4 to 5 chopped strawberries, half cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Microwave it for 2 minutes. This is how it will look like afterwards. Then just strain the syrup. And now our strawberry syrup is ready. Once the cake has cooled down inside the oven for 1 hour, refrigerate it for 6 hours and then it's ready to serve with your strawberry syrup.